In this crypto underworld review, I'm going to be showing you a program that's going to teach you how you can get into crypto coins, selling them, buying them, mining them, all those different things. If you missed out on Bitcoin and Ethereum, well, this is a training that you're not going to want to miss. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Crypto Underworld, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JBZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, can't afford to invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum or worried you missed the boat? There's a better way. How I find tokens on the DeFi market for as little as 0.0000 cents and sell them for 10 times to 100 times. I'll take you by the hand and show you how to do this today, even if you're a beginner. So essentially, this is for people that have just started learning about Bitcoin and Ethereum, and you see that Bitcoin's up in the $50,000-$60,000 range right now as I'm recording this video. And of course, you missed out on it when it was just pennies before. So this will teach you how to get started with as little as $25. It gives you complete training, resources, how to not get scammed, all that stuff from a guy that's actually doing this. And this is a reasonably priced course here. And this is proof that he's getting results with this. It says pre-sale was 0.0001. Now it's 0.22. So less than $100 now equals $20,000 in just a few hours. So people are getting massive returns from this. It's pretty crazy what's going on here with Bitcoin and Shiba. $1,000 invested in Shiba in January 2021 would be worth $650 million right now. That's incredible. There's millionaires being made overnight from this kind of stuff. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. And this guy right here, it also says, I'm not a financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. So there's going to be risk involved, which is why courses like this come out to teach you how to mitigate that risk, not to get yourself in trouble. Of course, you got to be careful with any kind of investing, whatever it is, whether you're doing buying houses, you're buying in the stock market, anything, even just holding cash is a risk because cash can go up and down. Here. So here's more results that they've had here. They've got tons of results, another $900 profit, et cetera here. So I'm gonna go down here. If you purchase today, you're gonna get access to the program, and it's gonna teach you exactly how to do everything with this, how to actually get into this and not get scammed. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a quick video explaining this a little bit more, and I'll be back to show you the back end area and the upgrades.
Hey, and welcome to the Crypto Underworld Watch. As you can see here, this is going to be a course, and this course is going to explain to you about the decentralized finance in the crypto underworld. Now, I like to call it the crypto underworld because there are some pretty unscrupulous businesses going on down there. It is unregulated, so you gotta be really careful. There are some shady characters down there, but I hope with this course I will be able to show you where the pitfalls are, what to watch out for, and how to be really careful. But the main point of this is not about Bitcoin and Ethereum and the top 10 other blockchains that you have heard of out there and what they're doing. What we're talking about here is in the crypto underworld, there are so many projects that are just launching for fractions of pennies in some cases, and then developing their technology that is going to probably change the world. There are a lot of them going on at this time. In the last 6 months, they have all started coming out, and this is the prime time to get involved in these projects in the DeFi space, in the underworld, for less than pennies in a lot of cases. And what that means is once these projects start developing and becoming real and everything starts working and more people hear about them, and then they reach the media, and then they reach the centralized exchanges, the price just continues to go up and up and up and is exposed to more people. I'm sure you wish that back in 2011 you had heard of Bitcoin and that you had jumped in and bought some and kind of socked it away and you'd be a multimillionaire in today's day and age. Now, that's kind of what's happening now. For the future. So if you missed out on the early Bitcoin or the earlier Ethereum, now is the perfect time to get involved and find these alpha projects that are going off in the DeFi space down there where they're really cheap and unheard of. I've checked out so many different projects in the last few months, and some of them are absolutely incredible. Some of them have already 10x, some of them have already 100x, 200x, 400x in just a span of a few days to a week. I'm telling you, if you get in on the pre-launch of some of these, what we call IDOs, several years ago, they were called ICOs. Now they're called IDO and IGO, initial DEX offering, initial game offering. And what we're seeing now also in the NFT space, in the gaming world, these are all launching down here in the DeFi space as well. So you really should take the time and check this out. And if you're any way at all interested in blockchain and what the future holds for blockchain, this is the place to start. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the software you need, the places you need to go to look, the groups to get involved in, and all that kind of thing in the videos below. I'll just show you what's in the membership area right now. We have a couple of lessons of introduction and about me. Then we also have 11 more lessons on how to get everything set up and going. And also, as promised down below, I have a lot of bonus training that I go over where in real time I am participating in these IDOs. I'm getting involved. You will see me, how I'm thinking, how I'm going about it. And these videos are basically less than a few weeks old. I did not create this course last year or even last month. Everything is brand spanking new, and I continue to add content up until the day of this launch. I've got a few more that I'm going to fit in here, and I really hope that if you're at all interested in getting involved in understanding the blockchain, this is where you will start. It's very inexpensive, and you're going to learn more in 2 days than you ever thought possible in the blockchain crypto world. And I encourage you to get involved, because blockchain and the crypto space and the tokens and the coins and the decentralized finances are going to change the world and reinvent technology as we know it. All right, that's all I got. I really hope you can join us, and we'll see you on the inside. Take care. Bye.
Okay, so this is the backend area that you'll have access to if you decide to purchase. It's multiple lessons in each one here. So it goes through each one here, like Crypto Underworld training. It's got like bonus training here, NFT maker, all this different stuff, just like to go through the entire system here. Explaining exactly what everything is throughout this entire thing. Look, these are all videos here teaching you how to do this. The next one, okay, so this is the first upgrade. It says, find out how I use these 2 underground methods to maximize my crypto holdings, get hands-free profits, and earn free reward tokens without any hard work. So this upgrade right here is a $48 upgrade. They have another one here. It says, find out my secret hack to limit slippage on the pancake swap from 15 to 1% every time. And of course, they teach you exactly what like pancake swap and all this stuff actually means here. Here's one. The next one here is get ongoing crypto underworld updates, real-time token price alert software, and the hands-on help support insider training only available inside my exclusive exclusive mastermind. There we go. Thank you. So this one's a little more expensive here. You can do this one monthly, or you can do an annual payment here and save. You can save an additional 48% with this one. Next one here, securely automate your trades and maximize your profits with your very own done-for-you private VPS trading server. So this is a private VPS trading server. And again, this was $297 for this one. So all these different OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Crypto Underworld and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, with crypto, you have to be really careful. Like a lot of people get all hyped up about it and they think that they've like missed out and they started throwing money at things. Just remember, anything that you invest, this is not financial advice. My advice to myself is anything that you invest, you should be like okay to lose. So you should know what you're doing with this, know that everything's a risk, and be smart about what you're doing, and be smart about who you listen to. What do I like about this? Todd's actually like doing well with crypto. He's very knowledgeable about it. If you want to learn from someone that's actually doing this is something that excites you, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Crypto Underworld, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.